We have been a really proud Yorkshire business for 128 years. The Yorkshire brand is fantastic, and I think Made in Yorkshire is a really good way to represent good businesses in Yorkshire.
It's quite a vibrant association, Made in Yorkshire. We are kind of new to Yorkshire. We only set our business up here 5 years ago and been really impressed with the talent that's available in Yorkshire, and the supply chain is excellent.
You can find good people to cooperate with, new ideas. You might find that after the first corner there is a new supplier you can talk to develop together. So it's always good.
Hi everybody, welcome to the first ever instalment of Made Live, the editor's pick. This is a new event format launched by the Made In Group, the first one in Yorkshire.
Hi, I'm Matt Stevens. I look after the manufacturing sector for Portakabin, and I'll be hosting the virtual breakfast networking event next week.
Marie Cooper, I'm Cooper Brown Enterprises CP Plus, and I'm CEO.
Dear member exhibitor, welcome to Back in Britain Live 2020, hashtag BB Live 2020 digital exhibition, our first event of its kind. We're really looking forward to the next 2 weeks where we'll observe the virtual drinks, roundtables, keynote speeches, and in the background, obviously, our beautiful exhibition, your stands that you have worked so hard to prepare alongside our Made in the Midlands, Made in the Yorkshire teams.
Andy is the chairman of the board at Optar plc and former CEO of Aston Martin. As CEO of Aston Martin for 6 years, Andy's dream was to challenge the erosion of British industry, something the Made in Group also strives to do every day. So this is why we feel it's going to be a very special event today.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Morning. Morning.
Morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
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 Morning, everybody.
Hello.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning. Guten Morgen aus Deutschland.
Hi and welcome to the Made Futures Virtual Manufacturing Exhibition. Thanks very much for registering interest in understanding more about the Made Futures programme. From 22nd to 26th of March, Made in Group members will have an opportunity to take up a virtual manufacturing presence to help promote their firms, to interact with the local potential engineering community of employees, those who've unfortunately lost their roles due to COVID, had apprenticeships cancelled, or maybe young people looking for a career in the sector.
Thanks again for joining us today, Andy. Over to you.
Thank you very much, Yasmin, and my privilege really to come and join the launch of the Made Futures project campaign, virtual exhibition, whatever we want to call it. And perhaps I should just start by thanking Jason, Charles, and indeed Ilona for their words of introduction, but probably like they've said, most importantly, thanking your members for their support for the organisation, which has made this brilliant virtual exhibition possible. It is actually very humbling just to see, looking through your material, what you're going to be able to do in a week of activities all virtually. And if I'd asked you 12 months ago if we'd been able to do that, I suspect you'd have said no way. So it's a lovely sort of live example of how far we've come.
To sum Made in Yorkshire up in one word, it will be fantastic.
It's a cooperative.
Community.
Inspirational.
Quality.
Important.
Exciting. Industrial.
Awesome.